Live better, feel stronger, the master on the way. From your plate to your purpose, we're with you every day. Healthy living series, come and join the wave. It's your time, your life, let wellness pave the way.
Welcome back to another exciting episode of the Healthy Living series with Master Arnold, where we explore simple foods with powerful benefits for your body, mind, and spirit. Have you ever heard of chayote, also known as choco or chocho in some cultures? This mild, pear-shaped green squash might look unassuming, but it could be your new best friend when it comes to heart health, circulation, and joint support. Popular in Latin American and Asian kitchens, chayote isn't just a tasty side dish. It's also packed with nutrients that older adults and anyone seeking gentle, natural health support can benefit from. Let's break it down. Chayote contains potassium, which may help support healthy blood pressure, especially when paired with a low-sodium lifestyle. Because it's water-rich and loaded with antioxidants, it may also help your circulatory system run more smoothly, keeping your heart pumping strong. Got joint pain or stiffness? Chayote's low-sodium content and kidney-supporting properties may help promote better fluid balance, which can aid in reducing bloating and discomfort. It also has plant sterols and fiber, which may help support healthy cholesterol levels, and vitamin C, which boosts iron absorption, a game-changer if you're managing low iron or anemia. So, how do you use it? Here's a gentle chayote wellness juice you can try 2 to 3 times a week. Blend 1 or 2 peeled chayote, 1 cup of water. Optional: a squeeze of lemon or a small piece of ginger for a zesty kick. Strain, if needed, or drink it as a smoothie. Some people steam the chayote lightly before blending to reduce any bitterness. Pro tip: for optimal absorption, best taken in the morning on an empty stomach. Let's be clear, chayote is not a cure. However, when paired with a healthy lifestyle, this affordable and straightforward vegetable can gently support your overall wellness, from your heart to your joints to your circulatory system. Always talk to your doctor before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you're on medications. If you're ready to take your health to the next level with food as medicine, then give chayote a try. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with someone who needs to hear this. And make sure to subscribe to the Healthy Living series with Master Arnold for more simple, natural ways to live your healthiest life, one bite at a time. Health tip of the day: your kitchen is your first pharmacy. Before you reach for a pill, ask yourself, what healing foods have I forgotten? See you in the next episode. Live better, feel stronger.
Live better, feel stronger, the master on the way. From your plate to your purpose, we're with you every day.